KIP ImagePro, fast and easy print control. Integrated with KIP 70 series, 800 series, and 900 series. Print, copy, and scan brilliantly. KIP ImagePro provides job creation, image capture, and reproduction for all print, copy, and scan environments. Mouse over tabs to instantly see the job queue, printer, or scanner status. Zoom in or out on any image for intense detail and accurately view settings prior to printing. AOI, or area of interest, includes sizing and crop tools to select only what you want. Use nesting to increase half-size print production. Clean up the background and boost black lines during scanning or printing. Anyone can be a color expert. KIP ImagePro includes professional rip tools for color management and quick spot color changes. Step and repeat images to reduce media waste. Panel by size or use the convenient automatic paneling to create wall-sized banners and posters fast. Position tools and enable important features. Easily edit large job sets with cut and paste. KIP Job Information provides a summary of the number of pages, color and black and white image count, and an estimated print time. Identify potential issues prior to printing. Rename files with simple efficiency. Printer and scanner info is graphically displayed for instant system status. Zoom in tight to view fine details. The Navigator window displays the viewing position when investigating details up close. KIP ImagePro, integrated with KIP System K 2.2 software in all KIP color and black and white systems. One application for all wide format imaging. KIP ImagePro, fast and easy print control.